Recently, it was my son's birthday. He turned 16 years old. Happy birthday to my son. The only thing he asked for this year was to rebuild his pre-built gaming PC. So a few years ago, I bought him a pre-built gaming PC, one of those HP TG01s. Got a great deal on it, of course, because you know I love a deal. Got it for a little under $300, and due to the job I was working at the time, I was able to do some upgrades on it. So definitely was able to put a slightly better graphics card in it, a 1660 Super, a little more RAM, and a 1TB SSD. So when this new build, basically what we're going to do is take all the guts out of that PC and put it into a newer, nicer case. So only thing we're really transferring over is his CPU, which is a Ryzen 5 5600G, his 1TB SSD, and his GPU. I'm not going to use the crappy cooler that was in it, and I'm not going to move over the RAM, even though it's enough, but it's just basic bare bones RAM, and he wanted something that was a little more RGB. So the impression I got from him wanting to rebuild his PC is that he wanted it to look a little bit more like my gaming PC, which admittedly has a whole lot of RGB in it. So I understand it makes it look like it games better. You know, they say more RGB, more FPS. I don't know if that's true, probably not, but whatever. So in order to do this upgrade, I had to order a couple things, and we also took a trip out to Micro Center. I'm one of the people that is blessed to live near a Micro Center, so we were able to take a trip. When I say near, it was about an hour away. But first things I did was order a couple things. So first I ordered was his new CPU cooler, which I have right here. It is what is this? A Johnsboro CR1000 EVO. And actually, it's pretty decent cooler. It's basically, I got it because it's got RGB. Actually, it's the black one that's on this side. It's got RGB in it, and it'll be good enough to keep his CPU cool because he's not doing super high-end gaming. The next thing we had to replace was his motherboard, of course. So me being the cheap dad that I am, I bought this A520M HDV motherboard by ASRock. It's a really basic motherboard for your AM4 stuff. And then we also had to change out his power supply. So the power supply I bought was this Thermaltake Smart Series 600 watt power supply, and I got all of that from Micro Center. So as I said, Micro Center was a while away, so me and my son set out on this hour-long drive all the way out to Micro Center. We arrived and got there, and I wanted to spend a little bit more time hanging out, looking at stuff, but my son was in a hurry. He wanted to get out of there, so we got what we wanted to get. So the cooler and the RAM I actually ordered on Amazon, but the motherboard and the power supply and the case I got from Micro Center. The case is a Montech XR, I believe it was. It's a fish tank looking glass case. Looks pretty good. It comes with 3 RGB fans in it, 2 on the side or whatever for intake, and 1 in the rear for extake, outtake, whatever you want to call it. So I went to work on the build. So as you can see from the videos, I had a little bit of a hard time. I didn't really have basically a surface or a table to put everything on, so I just used the coffee table in my living room as a build surface to put everything and move everything over and get it working. So shout out, happy birthday to my son. It has been an honor and a pleasure being your father. You've been a great kid, and I really appreciate you giving me the chance to do this. This is kind of like a dream come true for me, of course. I'm sure he didn't really participate a whole lot. I did most of the build, but he was there for it. But this was a dream come true for me, like I say, because I always want to do a build and PC related stuff with my son. Now he didn't want to sit there and actually build and learn how to plug it all in, which I understand that's not really his personality, but still that we were able to do it together. Had a day trip, had some fun with it. I really appreciate it. So check it out and let me know what you think of the final take. If it looks pretty good, I'm sure it's RGB'd out. I did as best I can, and I had a lot of fun. Once again, thank you guys for watching, subscribing, liking, all the stuff you guys normally do. I got a couple more videos coming out. I know it's been like a month since I posted something, but you know what they say, life be lifing. But I got an update on my MSI Cloud coming out. By the time this comes out, the Switch 2 should be about to launch. I should have some stuff on that. So stay tuned, and thanks for rocking with your boy. As we always say, L double the gamer, y'all. We out here.